Hello everybody, I'll give you an update on my last video that I posted. That was, I have to cover up my plants because it was getting really cold. So as you can see, I still have the hoops up here, and if I get a little bit closer, the tomato plants have grown, so I couldn't even get that cover on there anymore. Everything has pulled through. I did have one tomato plant right here in the corner that seemed to be affected. I don't know if that just had a smaller root mass, but it was affected by the frost, whereas the rest of them seem to fare pretty well with the covering. And then spaced in between and around, I've got some peppers growing in this garden bed. But yeah, so the bed is performing pretty well. And then I have the other bed that the cats got to. I put a bunch of leaf mulch on here. I got 3 zucchini plants growing right now. And then I said, as far as the greens go, I'm just gonna put peppers in here. I like my peppers. And underneath the netting here, I have a little bit sparsely planted beets. So I think the cats kind of dug up and moved the seeds. And the bush beans got all bunched up, but they are popping up and growing. So we'll see how this really tight spacing over here does with that. I'm not too concerned because I have a lot of beans that we're going to be able to eat fresh and freeze. And then my overwintered plants, they lost all the leaves that they had on in the springtime, but you can see we have a lot of new growth happening in this one. And this one here is getting a lot of new growth at the base of the plant. I'll take you on another video on the rest of my garden in the near future. But I want to thank everyone that's come along for the journey. Thank you for all the subscribers I have. And one day, Lord willing, I'll have over 1,000. Everyone, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.